Hola, buenos dias, and welcome to our Airbnb here in Ica Peru, which we believe is the best place to stay. And in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking you through and actually showing you our Airbnb, going through the amenities, the location, and ultimately why we believe this is the best place to stay when coming to Ica. So let's check it out. So starting here in the laundry and kitchen area, we have a full washer, microwave, full sink, plenty of dishes, silverware, pots and pans, also a full kind of stove that you see here, and a small oven. And of course last, full fridge. And then here in the dining area, we have a full counter with a couple of stools. Also, full table. I think it's actually 2 tables put together here with a few chairs. And we were able to actually get some work done because the Wi-Fi here is actually pretty stable. And here in the living room, we have a full couch, TV, AC, and everything that you need to enjoy our travel vlogs. Here in the hallway, we have our first bathroom with shower, as well as our first bedroom with a small wardrobe and a wide twin bed. In the second bedroom, we also have a small closet, dresser, and full set of bunk beds. And finally, in the third bedroom, we have a double bed, dresser, plenty of hangers, as well as another full bathroom with shower. There's also this really cool view of a giant sand dune practically next door. And if you're renting a car like we did, there's one available parking space here. And speaking of driving, you're less than a 10-minute drive away from Huacachina, whether you drive yourself or find one of the plentiful tuk-tuks or these small taxis that are constantly coming by on the street. And you're also less than a 30-minute drive away from the oldest vineyard in South America, Tacoma. We went to both places and had an incredible time. So link to that full experience will be in the description section below, as well as a link to this Airbnb. And with everything that you've seen thus far, the total price per night for us came to $88 US per night. Obviously for one person that might seem a little bit expensive. However, being able to easily fit 6 people here in this Airbnb really makes the price go a long way. Great location, amazing place to kind of relax and stay outside of some of the craziness of Ica Peru. And for all of these reasons are why we believe this place is the best place to stay in Ica. And we hope you found this tour valuable. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button on your screen to not miss out on our other adventures here in Ica, Paracas National Park, Cusco, and all over South America and the world. And as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and look forward to having you on more tours and adventures.